Hello! Welcome back to News Maximum. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Have you ever pondered what mysteries lie beyond the realm of our solar system? What celestial bodies, unknown to us, may exist in the vast expanse of the cosmos? Welcome to a journey into the world of exoplanets, where the discovery of new worlds is not just a figment of our imagination, but a reality of our time. Today we delve into the captivating story of Janssen, also known as 55 Cancri e, a super-Earth exoplanet that resides 41 light-years away from us. A recent article published by Forbes, along with reports from NBC News, has brought to light an intriguing possibility. Janssen might harbor an atmosphere. This revelation, made possible by the keen eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, suggests the presence of a gaseous atmosphere. Though the conditions on Janssen, with its scorching radiation and molten rock surface, are far too harsh to support life as we know it, the detection of an atmosphere on such a world is a significant stride in our understanding of exoplanets. The atmosphere of this super-Earth, which is larger than our home planet but smaller than Neptune, could potentially consist of carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. Despite the inhospitable environment, these findings have a profound implication. Even in the most extreme of conditions, atmospheres can form and persist. Janssen's year is quite unlike ours. In the time it takes our Earth to complete a single rotation on its axis, Janssen has already orbited its parent star, Copernicus, once. That's right, a year on Janssen lasts a mere 18 hours, leading to surface temperatures that reach an almost unimaginable 2,000 degrees Celsius. But what makes Janssen truly remarkable is its orbit, which aligns with the star's equator. This alignment suggests a history of gravitational forces pulling Janssen closer to its star, an insight that could help astronomers understand planetary formation and migration. While the extreme conditions on Janssen make it an unlikely candidate for life, the discovery of its potential atmosphere is a testament to the sheer diversity of exoplanets. It broadens our horizons, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible and challenging our understanding of planetary atmospheres. In the grand scheme of things, Janssen serves as a cosmic laboratory. By studying this super-Earth, we can gain invaluable insights into the early conditions of rocky planets, including those in our own solar system like Earth, Venus, and Mars. So, as we continue to explore the cosmos, each discovery, each world like Janssen, brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Or are there other worlds out there waiting to be discovered that could tell us more about our own? The journey is long, the universe vast, but every step we take in this cosmic voyage brings us closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic design. Thanks for watching News Maximum. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest news. Bye for now.